How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best camera settings for Panasonic S511. Now, basically, we have two ways, or we have day-to-day cases when it comes to best setting. Generally, there isn't a best setting depending on our day-to-day use. But generally, I love to use this setting right here. Now for video, you want to set your mode dial to movie icon and select the exposure mode to manual for full control. Of course, you want to customize your exposure according to your environment. And for the SS gain operator, you want to change it to angle ISO, set the shutter to the specified or to your preferred value to automate cinematic motion blur across all frames. So I suggest when setting up or when shooting, you want to set your ISO or shutter speed times that or two times that. So let's say that you're shooting your video at 27 FPS or let's say 30 FPS. You want to set the shutter speed at 60 to utilize the motion blur of your camera. Now, for picture profile, you want to use Vlog for maximum dynamic range. Basically, with this setting, it enables us to customize our video clips or to basically use color correction easily for our video. Now, for the recording format, you want to use MOV for professional grading. And for the thermal management, you want to set it to high to allow for unlimited recording times in most conditions. Now for photography setup, it's going to be extremely simple. The file format is going to be set to RAW, and the focus mode dial is going to be set to AFC or continuous. And you want to use the human eye detection to leverage the new face detect system. And so guys, that's the best settings for the Panasonic S5II. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.